Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Let's just unpack on Senzo Mewa, guys. I get the new one nanja in new line Kininda is I'm not an expert. I wasn't there. Person was giving evidence or was being cross-examined. Guys, like I'm a line, it's so crazy how he likes sticking to one line. Now those are his two lines. Yeah, but number saying no Brigadier Kininda is very big for her boots. Unqama nombuza kahle ukuthi ene labantu lama witnesses amanye ayesendlini or other witnesses nje including lezi zakhe zinga exist. Did you have interviews with them? Did you speak to them to just find out ukuthi kwenzakalani? And you know what, ne? He also likes that line now. As now we've dealt with that with advocate Ramusipile. Wangbuza and I don't wanna go through. What actually you're gonna repeat it. Yeah, you're gonna have to repeat it and then start counting with Zandi. I did speak to Zandi Komalo. Mthokozi sithwala uMakakheli kanye no Madlala, Tomelo Madlala. Two Brigadier Kininda labantu they even had a getaway car, Ipolo. Guys, like you know how accused number 4 and 5 are laughing like bro, like ukhuluma ngani ngoba thina sasihambela ngequantum yethu esasuka nayo idropini. Sayihambela sayile kaTlehong nase-Straight View. Manje sesibasuthi hostel sesibonwa uZungu nobabakhe ufakazi izinto engeke abangazazi hayibo. Like they were laughing literally guys. I was just like wow, even them banesibindi. Bahleka bathi iPolo. Kodwa manje unquma lemesethi where the registrations of the Polo athi I'm sure it was hired kwasho uZungu. Obviously uZungu. Guys ngeke uGininda fanele ayeke manje. Needs to stop it. I like Nqumalo when it comes to zinto tangible, statements and stuff. Almost like umnese yakadlali. Uvela athi no my lord adjournment. How long are you gonna need Brigadier Kininda? Guys, I was just like uyamlaya. Shola kaphela uKininda guys like udlulele akasazazi naye. Guys, uAbsalom kodwa vele ungenaphi and nangumuntu eba defensive maybe embuza ngoAbsalom ukuthi ngempela indaba kaAbsalom uthi I know I had to speak to Absalom. Absalom ubaba kaZungu uConstable Zungu like honestly guys Absalom though ungena ngophi think about it. Hey guys namkhumbula ngisho Colonel host ukuthi unamanga omunye lo wama expects ma phones lo muntu guys akazi next ukuthi ukhuluma ngani umuntu ka entourage ka Kininda naye lo muntu lo so bambuza ngaye uthi ayino angazi next ukuthi how was accused number 4 speaking to accused number 5 nalama phone number they not make sure so what's going on there athayangazi Colonel Khosi can come back basically to do what lo baba wayeleader ke qambe namanga thina nje we only believe when it comes to my phone data phone anything we just want Pinky Vitalingam abanye abantu khohlwa Unqumalo just wanted to clarify ukuthi there was no contact nje around into zomafonelana between accused number 4 nalaba abanye aba 4 basically akawazi bafonelana labo bantu lapho ukhoswa akawazi bafonelana guys mangakala umuntu uRatha nje continue to treat uZwide advocate uZwide ngazi ukuthi ene umfana wakhe we understand balole manje communication uyamtshela uadvocate inquma lokuthi listen here uyangizwa sense ngithi mina they communicated yebo in the car in the khumbi kwiquantum they've never got a communicated telephonically busy ke uyamke slider ubudilo uRatha ulekele ethi i-communication is brought yeah but communication is brought but uyangizwa yini mina ukuthi nzeni ngithi they communicated bese emotweni ufonelana ngamafoni ngazi bafonelana they might have met but akazi baba fonelana ayuRatha yinto unesicef yo Ratha is very silly guys yo khona manje ubusiness lesi sithombe esigqoke ikepisi ekuthiwa undanzi the one that's standing next to the car ukhuluma no Brigadier Kininda guys is there anything like that though Wanqumali is still talking to accused number 4 Maphisa and then wasukume umsholo le wamudla wamfela wathi listen here wena why uthi na cross examine who mean who am I cross-examining. Ukhuluma ngawani? Ukhuluma ngani? Athi no, but isidingo sokuthi nikhulume can we just wait for uNxumalo kusho advocate Zandile Msholo bamgiva guys like you have never seen. Wavela to advocate Msholo, thank you man. Udwahlala phansi. But nje uRasa khazusile uRasa. uRasa zathi I seek clarification. But just still there was a certain way to handle this. Rata guys baqede almost 30 minutes kubangiswana noRata in the midst of that kubangiswana ngeyithombe ukuthi accused number 4 was wearing uDH athi uRata ayibona abaqala ifashion eSoweto akaphethi nangu ubaba angabe ubaba kabani guys. I'm just like lo baba lo guys no alwa lokho belula lokho ke ithombe ke libazi bamphoxa uGininda isithombe ke lesi u-photo 9 no-photo 47 where it was accused number 4 ethathwa ithombe obviously babethatha bonke no-accused number 3 angithi remember kahle istory guys. O-accused number 5 babengangamboni ngaso sikhathi njengoba behamba nomngane wabo ngeQuantum right to go to Katlehong in that hostel there njengoba lo eclaim ukuthi besebasuthu aphendula uGininda athi hayi kuyafana mako 5 o'clock 5:30 in those photos the incident mose ingakenzeki. Angithi amazi uyathanda vele uneverbal diarrhea likes blabbling izinto ezingekho like ezingangeni nowhere because nje fanele bekhulumile unjalo phela uGininda labantu abathi I have to say something ngeke I have to say something noma when it's not even the time bamphoxa ke. There is where we was explaining about to accuse number 5 ukuthi accuse number 5 only joined them later. What how must be nithe bayazana what no, can you just listen? You don't listen. That's the problem with you. Can you just listen? Yebo bayazana but uba joine much later yena who accused number 5. I mean, I really believe so. There's nothing like this case. What's your version kahle of the story? Because ubuye uthi futhi noKelly involved kwahlukanisolana nemali. Kahle what is the story? Because manje masemtshela uNxumalo ukuthi hayibo accused number 4 bamdoba kwathi after 6 p.m. lapho way after if it was after kwa 6 in Katlehong nako spread view. So yabona ukuthi manje seku after 6 ngoba wayirenta iflat edropeni bamdopha lapho azange saphinda babone lethule athi Gininda that's not true. So when nje uyi saint I guess how namanga kanje how are you a saint ngoba ufuna manga when amtshela uNxumalo ukuthi hayibo bamdropha lapho that's it accuse number 3 and 5 asanga sababona kuphelile for the day we done for the day. So ngibuyela nini ku-first orasi ngokugijimisana nento ezosenzo meyiwa like guys honestly bahlukaniselana imali yagula lo baba uthi uNxumalo futhi into abefuna ukuyiclear ukuthi u-accuse number 4 akamazi u-accuse number 2 vela akabazi accused on number 1 and 2 yebo kazi uGininda azothi that's not true. These days usakwazi nokusho ukuthi misleading the court ufundiswe umnisi busy telling people ukuthi that's not true like you know anything about the truth. I-instruction ayitholile u-advocate Zithulela Nxumalo mayobizwa u-accused number 4 uthe uKelly Khumalo ngimazi as a musician other than that angimazi from a bar of Sunlight Soap angimazi. Angithi phela uBrigadier Gininda uthi imali kwaku-cash abakhokhelwa yona bonke u-accused uyasho u-accused number 4 ukuthi mina ngihlangene ngaze ngize ngithole imali from anybody, never received any cash and nama-bank statements akhe I-approve all of that. So khulumani guys with Gininda uyabona ukuthi uNxumalo what has he done to Gininda? He dragged him like a mob. Yeah, he dragged him to filth. Usilelo u-accused number 4 uthi ubecela bandla ukuthi u-advocate Zithulela Nxumalo amcacisele kwi-court ukuthi yena akaze ahlele any pre-planned, any premeditated anything for that matter ukuthi wayefuna ukuthi ayoba involved in unaliving uSenzo Meyiwa hlangene. Wathi uGininda that's not true. The evidence says otherwise. Uyagula lo.